And what is the strategy of national and transnational enterprises within Liberia?
Unfortunately, Liberia, like many resource-rich countries, we are caught in a circle that is actually undermining our own prospect for growth and development. For example, almost all the companies that are operating in Liberia are only interested in extracting raw materials and exporting them overseas where they are then turned into finished products. There is a resistance in a lot of ways to adding value to those resources in country, to turning them into finished products that are then exported to other countries around the world. For example, Firestone has been in Liberia for several decades now. We are one of the largest producers of latex that goes into the processing of different rubber materials abroad. But in country, we do not even produce a single plastic material. And this is despite the fact that the company has been in the country for more than 75 years. Buchanan Renewables and other companies that have also recently arrived in Liberia have very much followed the same pattern. They have started to extract old rubber wood, turn them into wood chips, export them to Europe for power generation in European cities. And they have not made any attempt to look at different opportunities for turning those wood into finished products in Liberia, and first of all to meet Liberia's own needs before looking outside for external consumption back in Europe or in America.
What would you expect from those same NGOs and progressive policymakers with regards to sustainable energy transformation, be it in Germany, in Europe or in Liberia?
We would expect that they will bring pressure to bear on Vietnam to pull out of the current arrangement with Buchanan Renewables in order to source 1 million tons of wood chips from Liberia over the next 5 years. We need that wood chip back in Liberia to be able to meet our own energy needs. Europeans can afford to find alternative energy sources. We will expect NGOs in Berlin and in Europe to continue to advocate for much more responsible investment from Vietnam wherever they may be aiming to source wood chips, especially from Africa.